Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start with the essentials. In this video, I will show you how to make skinless pork longanisa. First, you'll need 1 kilogram of ground pork, ideally with 20% fat for juiciness. Then, gather 1/4 cup each of minced garlic and brown sugar. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of coarse salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 cup of cane vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of annatto powder for that vibrant color. These simple ingredients are the foundation of delicious longanisa. Now let's bring those flavors together. In a large bowl, combine your ground pork, minced garlic, brown sugar, salt, pepper, cane vinegar, and annatto powder. It's best to use your hands for this step, ensuring everything is thoroughly mixed. You want the spices to be evenly distributed throughout the pork. Spend about 5 to 7 minutes mixing to really incorporate all those wonderful flavors. This step is crucial for a consistent taste. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to shape your longanisa. Take about 2 tablespoons of the seasoned pork mixture. Gently roll it between your palms to form a cylindrical shape, roughly 3 inches long and about 1 inch thick. Aim for consistency and size so they cook evenly. As you shape each piece, place them neatly on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes for easy handling. Finally, let's talk about cooking and storage. To cook, place your longanisa in a pan with about 1/4 cup of water. Cook until the water evaporates, then let it fry in its own rendered fat until golden brown and fully cooked. For storage, uncooked longanisa freezes beautifully. Simply place them in an airtight container and they'll keep for up to 3 months. Remember to thaw them overnight in the refrigerator before you're ready to cook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.